Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're diving into the stunning Cadillac Escalade, now transformed with a 100% carbon fiber LARTE body kit. Let's explore luxury redefined. The Cadillac Escalade is already a symbol of opulence and power, but the addition of the 100% carbon fiber LARTE body kit elevates it to an entirely new level. Under the hood, the Escalade is powered by a 6.2L V8 engine delivering an impressive 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. For those craving even more performance, the available 682 horsepower supercharged V8 in the Escalade V offers unmatched power. At the front, the LARTE body kit introduces a more aggressive grille design with intricate carbon fiber detailing, paired with sharp LED headlights featuring Cadillac's iconic vertical light signature. The sculpted carbon fiber bumper adds aerodynamic efficiency and a bold stance. The side profile is where the carbon fiber truly shines, with lightweight side skirts and aerodynamic enhancements. The massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels, custom designed for this Escalade, amplify its commanding presence. Frameless side glass and carbon fiber accented power folding mirrors complement its sleek silhouette. At the rear, the LARTE body kit features a carbon fiber diffuser and quad exhaust outlets that enhance its sporty appeal. The LED taillights maintain Cadillac's signature design, while the carbon fiber roof spoiler and hands-free power tailgate complete the luxurious look. Step inside the Cadillac Escalade, and you're welcomed by unparalleled luxury. The dashboard features premium materials, including leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum, creating an ultra-modern and refined atmosphere. The highlight is the industry-leading 38-inch curved OLED display, combining a digital instrument cluster and infotainment system with stunning clarity. The side doors feature ambient lighting, premium stitching, and generous storage compartments. The electronic gear selector is ergonomic, while the illuminated start button adds a touch of elegance. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with wood accents and multifunctional controls. The front seats are power adjustable, heated, and ventilated, offering unmatched comfort. Rear passengers enjoy captain's chairs with heating options and a foldable table between the seats. Cargo space is vast, offering 25.5 cubic feet behind the third row, expandable to 121 cubic feet with all seats folded. The Escalade combines practicality and luxury, making it perfect for any lifestyle. The Cadillac Escalade with the LARTE body kit starts at $130,000, with upgrades and customization options taking it up to $160,000. It's an investment in style, performance, and exclusivity. The Cadillac Escalade with LARTE's carbon fiber body kit redefines luxury and performance, offering a unique blend of power and style. If you loved this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium car reviews on Road Ready Review.